direction, foul, direction. Clear? Simple. Violation, that is running. How is it given? It's just moving your hands around, 3 second ka foul hai. You shouldn't be allowed to hold the ball more than 3 seconds. Even that foul is given as this, running. Okay? Doubt? Clear? Because I have played a match where referee has started the match but goal referee was somewhere else. Okay? So it shouldn't happen. So once you start the match, I'll just show you some signals first. And basically it should like this. Pushing, hitting. This signal is for for warning signal. This is for offensive foul. This is for offensive. Any you are obstructing that person to shoot. That is given like this.
Defensive.
Simple defense.
Defensive.
Defensive foul. Then what is allowed? That is also given in the book. Fine. Even long sleeves, inners, soft things are not allowed. Fine. So many things they have listed up. That is allowed, not allowed. That is our responsibility to check out. Clear? Then to start the match, to start with the whistle, which one? You must ensure the goalkeeper is ready. Both? Scorers are ready, and then you start the match, right? And whenever there is any free throw or whatever, again the single whistle, signal must be given. Our signal must be given first to the signal. That is directional signal.
Goa Handball Academy has conducted a 2-day refresher course cum referee clinic examination for the physical education teachers and also for the handball national players on 3rd and 4th March 2018 at Asnora Sports Complex. Professor Yogesh Bodke from Pune University was the resource person for this 2-day referee clinic cum referee examination for the handball players. The main purpose of this refresher course cum referee clinic examination was to ensure that most of the physical education teachers can update or increase their knowledge in the game of handball and also to become efficient referees in the game of handball.